We are going to irrigate our field with the dishwasher pump by drawing water from the creek today. We use a space of 15 meters. We connect a filter to the top of the check valve where the pump will suck. Because the water we will draw from the creek is not clean, it will pass through the holes on this filter. Farner, large objects won't pass and damage the pump. We are going to run this motor with a battery now. Some friends had asked in the comments if it would work with a battery. We said it could work by connecting the inverter. Now we will show that too. We will also do a current test. We will talk about how many hours we can run it like this. The filter check value here was not compatible. I'm bandaging with a band. This is a temporary solution for now. Actually, it was necessary to make it a bit more robust, but I mean once for watering. I think it will be sufficient. However, if we try to irrigate again, this band needs to be renewed. Or it could be done in something more sturdy. By applying silicone around, you can make it more durable. I don't make it constant because after testing it here, I'm going to deliver it back to my dad. I will reattach this to the water motor. After I complete the taping process, I throw this check valve into the stream. It needs to be completely submerged. I place a branch on it so it doesn't rise to the surface. I will stretch the hose upwards and make sure it pumps the water the furthest distance. I will connect the other end to the pump output. I'm getting it. I'm also taping it. I know it was very random, but I am doing such a test because I just did it for trial. Now I am drawing water from the stream to the pump. I'm filling it completely with water. After completing the water filling process, I'm closing the fill valve on the pump. I found a UPS that operates at 24 volts. I unplugged the battery cables. Outdoors, I obtained 24-pin cylinder. Connects 24V by connecting two 20A batteries in series. I will make this UPS device work and generate 200 Puchiv and run the washing machine motor. The UPS device was still junk, guys. It was broken. A friend of mine gave this to me, said use it somehow. I also repaired this. I use it this way. Now I'm connecting the cable of the dishwasher motor to the UPS device. The batteries have reached 220. I managed to hold it and start the motor of the dishwasher. When I press the power button of the UPS device, it starts drawing water directly. Yes, you can see the water is going quite well. Let's see how the output will be. Yes, look. As you can see, it's quite full. When you look at it, you can see that the water comes more from the fountain environment. We can immediately feel the base of the bucket. It pumps our water quite nicely, guys. I think it's very good. It can be used in small garden watering tasks. It can fill drip irrigation tanks. It can perform such operations. There are already leaks from here as well. You've taped with tape. There are also leaks on the suction side, so it needs a little more capacity. With the papers, there will be more competitions under it. It draws less water. Now we will also test. How many amperes of current does it draw? It drew this ampere. How many hours can it work with the current? We will test this. For this, I will connect an ammeter in series to the current, turning the measuring instrument to the ammeter position. We will measure its ampere. Let's see how much current it will draw. I am connecting the probes of the measuring instrument to the battery in series. If I connect it in parallel, my ammeter will burn out. So the energy going to the battery is actually, the energy should pass through our ammeter. So we made the connections. I'm going to run it again now. Let's see how many amps it will draw. When it draws so many amps, it will show us how many hours of power it can provide when compared with the capacity of the battery. I set my measuring device to ampere mode. When I start the device, let's see how many amperes it will draw. Yes, the device is running now. Let's press the water. The engine is running. It's currently pulling 5.93 amps, my friends. It's pulling 6 amps. The capacity of the batteries was 20 amps. They are in series, so 6 amps of current passes through both. 12. 8 things means 3 hours. You can irrigate without interruption. I think 3 hours is quite enough for this motor. That was our video, friends. Hope you liked our video. If you liked the video, please don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next video. Goodbye.